Nakuha ng 1. Number 7 nakuha na rin. 9. Maganda ng feeling mo lang ah.
Ay, nag-usap kayo ah.
In this city, Paul revealed to the people the identity of the unknown God. In this city, Paul revealed the people the identity of the unknown God. Unknown God.
Still.
Athens. Yan, Athens.
Ay, oo nga.
Okay? Tama yan, Athens.
Tibay ah. Tibay sa atin tayo talaga.
886. Dito na tayo. Cities or book? Book. Number 6.